my name is Lovely Venus Pernito, and today I will be discussing the computer system. First, let's discuss what is computer. A computer is an electronic device that helps people perform different tasks. It accepts information in the form of digital data and manipulates it for some result based on a program or a sequence of instruction on how the data is to be processed. Since the advent of the first computer, different types and sizes of computers are offering different services. Computers can be as big as occupying a large building and as small as a laptop or microcontroller in a system. There are four basic types of computer: supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, and microcomputer. First is supercomputer. The most powerful computers in terms of performance and data processing are the supercomputers. These are specialized in task-specific computers used by large organizations. These computers are used for research and exploration purposes. Like NASA uses supercomputers for launching space shuttles, controlling them, and for space exploration purposes. The uses of supercomputers are space exploration, earthquake studies, weather forecasting, and nuclear weapons testing. Second is mainframe computer. Although mainframes are not as powerful as supercomputers, but certainly they are quite expensive nonetheless, and many large firms and government organizations use mainframes to run their business operations. The mainframe computers can be accommodated in large air-conditioned rooms because of its size. Supercomputers are the fastest computer with large data storage capacity. Third is mini computer. Mini computer are used by small businesses and firms. Mini computers are also called as mid-range computers. These are small machines and can be accommodated on a disk with not as processing and data storage capabilities as supercomputers and mainframes. Fourth is microcomputer. Desktop computers, laptops, personal digital assistants, tablets, and smartphones are all types of microcomputers. The microcomputers are widely used and the fastest growing computers. These computers are the cheapest among the three types of computers. The microcomputers are specialized designed for general usage like entertainment, education, and work purposes. Well-known manufacturers of microcomputers are Dell, Apple, Samsung, Sony, and Toshiba. Now, let's proceed to three fundamental elements of the computer. First is the system unit. System units act like a center or core, processing the data and information it receives from input devices. Second is input device. An input device is any hardware device that sends data to a computer, allowing you to interact with and control the computer. The most commonly used or primary input devices on a computer are the keyboard and mouse. However, there are dozens of devices that can be also used to input data in the computer, such as camera, touch tablet, joystick, mic, handheld scanner, and flatbed scanner. Third is the output devices. These are the devices like printers. It receives the system unit's process information. Output device is any peripheral that receives data from a computer, usually for display, projection, or physical reproduction, such as speaker, monitor, headphones, plotter, projector, and printers. Now, let's proceed to software installation. An installation program or installer is a computer program that installs files such as application, driven, or other softwares into a computer. Installation or setup of a computer program, including devices, drivers, and plugging, is the act of making the program ready for execution. Because the process varies for each program and each computer. Programs including operating systems often come with an installer, a specialized program responsible for doing whatever is needed for their installation. Installation may be part of a larger software deployment process. There are common Windows installer file extensions, the executable or the XC, Microsoft Windows installation or MSI, compressed zip file or zip, and ISO image or ISO. Some installers are specifically made to install the files they contain. Other installers are general purpose and work by reading the contents of the software package to be installed. Now, before we proceed to 3 types of software, let us first know what is software. A software is a component of a computer system which refers to the set of instructions written in a code that computers can understand and execute. There are 3 types of software: the operating system, application software, and programming language. Operating system. This software tells the CPU what to do. Software that controls the allocation and use of programs and data that a computer uses. Common operating system and its logos are Windows 1.0, Windows Vista, Windows 3.1, Windows 7, Windows 95, Windows 10, Windows XP, Mac OS X, and Matrix Linux. Second is application software. This is designed and written to perform a specific personal business or scientific processing task, such as payroll, processing, human resource management, or inventory management. Common application softwares are the following: MS Word, WordPad, Notepad, Internet browsers like Firefox, Safari and Chrome, Microsoft PowerPoint, Keynote, AutoCAD, MySQL, Oracle, MS Access, Real Player, Media Player, VLC Player, dictionaries like Encarta, Britannica, Mathematical, Google Earth, NASA Whirlwind, OpenOffice, and Microsoft Office. Third is the programming language. Programmers use this data software for making computers program. Programming software is a tool to make software using internet programming languages. After installing operating system, you'll need to install drivers for your device such as video card, network interface card, sound cards, and etc. In many cases, if Windows recognizing device, drivers will be installed automatically. In some cases, generic drivers are installed and they will work fine. Now, let's proceed on how to install device drivers. Here are the several ways on how to install device drivers. First is the manufacturer's DVD or installer, driver spec solution, device manager or update driver software, and download online. That is all. Thank you for watching.